So hi and welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get further FPS in Call of Duty when you're using a new RTX 30 series card. I found that when I was using my 3090 Strix overclocked here that I was getting low FPS, and Datey on Twitter also pointed that out and gave me a tip to go and look at something that could help me increase the FPS. So what I've done is I've done some benchmarks on Call of Duty Cold War, so the new Call of Duty. I'm going to go through the FPSs and show you the difference, so you can check your settings and see if you can gain some further FPS. So what you need to do first is go and download GPU-Z, free download. Once you've downloaded that, under graphics card, which is the first tab, you'll see bus interface, and you'll see mine here is PCIe times 16 at times 16 2.0. So this is my bus, PCI bus is only running at 2.0. So you want to run it at 3. What I did was I checked my BIOS on my ASRock Tai Chi here, and it's set to auto on my PCIe Express port here. It should be detecting 3, but it isn't. So what I did was I changed that to 3. What I'm going to show you first is the PCIe Gen 2 bus speeds and FPS, and then I'm going to change the PCIe speed to Gen 3. I'm going to turn it up manually in the BIOS because it's not detecting right, even though it's on the latest firmware, and we'll check the FPS against it on that as well. So if you're not familiar with my channel, I give you all the data and statistics to the competitive edge over your rivals in the gaming community. And if you haven't checked out my other videos, go and check them out. They're in a lot of detail for things like mice, keyboards, latency, stuff like that. So I've done all these tests in 1080p because that's what I play at the moment on a 240Hz monitor. And the first one up here is Call of Duty. The bus is set to Gen 2 still. And you can see my average FPS here is 105 FPS, which isn't good given I've got a 3090 Strix overclocked and an 8700K CPU with 32GB of RAM. So changing my bus over to Gen 3 now, we're going to Call of Duty here, and we see a massive increase now with the average FPS being 224 FPS, which gives us an increase of over 100%, which is clearly bottlenecking at the Gen 2 PCIe here. It's a bit of a shame that the ASRock didn't detect that as a PCIe 3 card, but that was my issue here. You've probably got a similar issue if you're getting low FPS with a new RTX card. Certainly worth checking anyway. So these are the graphics settings I am using if you wanted to know. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave you with the remainder of this gameplay here from Call of Duty Cold War using the Gen 3 to get an idea of the FPS. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see. I'll be doing a port forwarding one for this very soon as well, because I know a lot of people like those. I'll definitely be dropping some more reviews in the near future for some mice, so stay tuned. Enjoy this gameplay.
Semtex out. Hegeretta.
Mission timeline expired. Enemy spy plane inbound.
Semtex.
Hostile spy plane established ahead. Multiple enemy spy plane contacts. Multiple enemy spy plane contacts.
Care package on standby.
Target dropped.
Hostile care package inbound.
He's dead. Keep doing napalm strike on my grid. turret activated.
Multiple enemy spy plane contacts. Multiple enemy spy plane contacts.
EKIA. Semtex. 한 놈 해치웠다. 원바이.
Enemy care package above. Sit rep. Enemy attack helo above. Enemy sentry turret detected in your AO. Enemy napalm strike incoming.
Tasking.
Spy plane
Get
established
spy
overhead.
plane eyes above.
Surveillance overflight. Spy plane mission time clock 50%.
Enemy appears KIA.
Spy plane RTB.
Hostile spy plane established overhead.
Take him. Shut out.
Hostile care package inbound.
Sentry turret.
Sentry turret
Hostile
ready to
spy plane
deploy.
established overhead.
Hostile down. Establishing sentry.
Sentry turret has been destroyed.
Shut out.
Hostile spy plane established overhead.
Enemy appears KIA.
Multiple enemy spy plane contacts. Multiple hostile spy planes detected. Spy planes detected. BND, time is our enemy.
Semtex. One by.
Attack helicopter is ready to deploy. Type 49 entering your AO. Lighting